Here is how you can change the password of your Gmail account. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change the password of your Gmail account. So let's start. First of all, open the Gmail app. Then after, tap on the profile on the top right side. Now select the specific account. Then after, go to Google account. As you tap on Google account, it will take you to a screen like this. Scroll on this menu and go to security. Then after, scroll below and you will find this password section. Tap on password. Now enter your current password and tap on next. Then after, you will have a screen like this where you can change your password. In order to change it, enter the new password that you want to set. Then after, further confirm the same password and tap on change password. As you do that, the password of your Gmail account will be changed and you will have to enter the new password when you want to log in with the account. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.